Hi, welcome to the second tutorial of aoe2 AI scripting. Getting started, I'm going to talk about the AI and pair files. Firstly, we need to locate the folder where your AIs are placed. This can differ depending on how you have installed your aoe2, which versions, which mods, etc. You need to look for the folder where you will find all your AI and pair files. And it will look something like this. I have already found my folder. You can see all the different AIs with the name AI and pair. If you use different versions and or mods, you will also have to place your AI in the different AI folders if you want your AI to be available in those versions and mods. To give an example, I play mostly via Voobly, either with or without Wallalor Kingdoms selected, so I have to put my AI in both Voobly AI folders. Here are some examples from my messy computer. It can and probably will differ on yours. There's different ones depending on installed via classic CD, Voobly without mods, Voobly with the Wallalor Kingdom mods, HD and Definitive Edition. Pause this video and look for your AI folder of the version and mod you usually play. Look for the names of the AIs with the .ai and .pair file. An aoe2 AI consists of minimum 2 files, something.ai, something.pair. Something is obviously substituted with your AI's name. It is vital that the name is completely identical for both files AI and pair. For instance, feudalrussia.ai, feudalrussia.pair is okay. Brave Knights1.ai and Brave Knights2.pair is not okay. Maybe a mistake in the versions of your AI that this problem can arise. Tip: decide also in which folder your base is for storing and writing your AIs. When finished with some coding, copy files to the AI folders of the aoe2 version mod that you want to play. This is to avoid adapting your AI and having accidentally different versions scattered in the different AI folders. In other words, devise your own system so you know which is your most updated AI, because a lot of adding, changing and tweaking happens when scripting. The .ai file is the name file of your AI. It does not contain any code, so this file remains completely empty. It just instructs your aoe2 program to list your AI in the drop-down menu when starting a game, and also then looks for the corresponding pair file, also with the same name. The pair file is then obviously the code file which the AI name file looks for. The pair file contains your code for your AI. To start scripting for now, we'll just use Notepad, preferably open in administrator mode. We will download better scripting editors in the future. So, go to Start, I open Notepad in administrator mode. Okay. To start on Voobly, make sure you start at single player menu if you want to watch the AI from its perspective. This is especially handy for debugging purposes, restarting the game, etc. Single player, standard game, and as other players in the beginning, I would advise to practice AI. This AI won't do a lot. and here you can choose your AI which you are programming at the moment. We will program a tutorial AI. You see it's not in the list yet, and that's because we haven't made it yet. We go to the WordPad, save as, make sure text documents is set on all files, and type tutorial.ai and save in the correct folder as stated earlier with all the AIs present. Then I do the same, save as, make sure clicked on all files, and make a PED file, save. Okay. And close Notepad. We look for tutorial AI, see it's not in it, that's normal because first I have to re-go to this menu. If we then click again on standard game, the AI we just started up you can find here. We click on tutorial. I advise when starting off making an AI to use these settings, location Arabia, as this is the most basic and starting map for Age of Empires. Difficulty on hard. Why on hard? Because an AI doesn't have any advantages or disadvantages on this setting. All the other things on standard. You may record games for later debugging also, but we won't do that now. We got tutorial in, we can start the game. Obviously, it tells you the tutorial or PED has got no rules, no programming. If we press OK, you see the AI will start doing all kinds of stuff by itself, not really working out how it should, but some basic parameters are already programmed in an AI even without any coding. Why and how this is, we will also see in future videos. That will be all for now. Thank you, and greetings from Interlibes.